Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the console safe. Power down, unplug, and wait about 10 minutes so capacitors discharge. Put on an anti-static strap to avoid damage. Once done, flip the unit, remove the base screws with a Torx T8/T10, then use a plastic pry to separate the outer shell. Work evenly so clips don't break. You're not prepping, you're already inside the case. Keep screws labeled by location. This prevents reassembly errors later. Now you remove the inner shield and expose the heatsink and fan assembly. Unscrew the bracket screws in a star pattern so pressure releases evenly, then lift the heatsink slightly to see the fan connector. You must unplug the fan cable. Remember orientation so you reconnect correctly. Use compressed air to clear dust from vents and fins. If the fan blade wobble or bearings make noise, prepare a replacement fan. Keep parts organized and avoid touching thermal surfaces to prevent contamination. You finish by installing the cleaned or new fan, plugging the connector back in with firm, even pressure, then lowering the heatsink and tightening screws evenly to manufacture torque patterns. Once the shields and outer shell are back on, reconnect power and run a 15-minute stress test while listening for noise changes. If the fan still vibrates or clicks, make sure mounting screws are snug and the rubber vibration grommets are intact. If not, replace them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.